Do you and your spouse earn well but never get a feeling of being rich? And you don't ever get a feeling that you will be able to stop working and relax in your younger age? Do you ever get that feeling? If yes, find out if these are the reasons why it happens, because these are the reasons which many people tell me that it happens. First is you're inundated with debt. You've taken a lot of debt, some of it sensible, some of it not very sensible. You bought properties in Dombivli, you bought properties in Noida, you bought properties in Panvel, and last 5 years it has just gone nowhere. You're busy repaying the loan and you're worried that if you lose your job, you will have to sell these properties at a depressed price. So these are the things which are weighing on your head. So therefore, being inundated in debt is one reason why you cannot ever feel comfortable that you're rich, right? You and your partner have no control over your spending. You spend on shoes, you spend on cars, she spends on dresses which she doesn't use. So whatever it be, so therefore your children also copy this, and then your children and your wife all turn to you and said, come on, you're a director in such a big company, so don't you think we deserve it? And you start believing that you deserve it. Correct, you are a director, but then today everybody is an associate director, right? So it's not a very high sounding thing, sorry to say, but American companies are very liberal with the designation. So you may be called anything, but the fact is you are not sure whether you will keep your job beyond 90 days. You know that, you keep telling that to your wife, but since you have not lost your job ever, you feel complacent saying, I think even with this COVID I did not lose my job, so maybe nothing will happen to me. So that makes you a little more complacent, but it never gives you the feeling of being rich, because you are just 50 years of age. And you're afraid that over the next 2, 3, 5 years also, if you were to lose your job, you will not have enough money for your retirement. That is another big worry, because of which you don't feel rich, you feel worried and never rich. So your kid is in class 8 and you are hoping that the kid does CA, because if the kid were to do his medicine abroad, there is no way how you can afford it. If you were to do medicine in India in a private school, you would still be very worried, because the fees is going to be 8, 9, 10 digits. I do not know, because you've not made arrangement for that kind of money, especially for your first kid, and your second kid you do not know what you're going to do. But yes, you have 2 kids and you've not put away enough money for their education. You never thought it is going to be so expensive educating them in India in a decent college, right? So since you're 50, if somebody comes and asks you about retirement, you just say, nahi yaar, you just have to keep your body right and fit, and you can work till 65, there's nothing to worry. All the brave bravado talks, but somewhere at the back of your mind you know that you don't have enough money to retire, and you could lose your job maybe in a week's time, maybe in a month's time, right? The fact is you're lucky that you have not lost it, not that you have some great skill because of which you have not lost it, and that is worrying you, right? You recently checked out on your credit card and your score was not very great, because in the past you had made mistakes of letting a couple of checks bounce. It was all an error, but then that stigma remains on your credit card. So therefore, whenever you try to borrow something, you do not get the finest rates, you get slightly bad rates. When you checked up, they said, no sir, we have got a negative report about you, but however now that is old, so over the next 2 years that blemish will go away and your credit card score will improve to 650. Right, improve to 650. The real good ones have scores in excess of 800, right? So your aged parents have very little capital and they do not have adequate medical insurance. In fact, they have no medical insurance. Your father was a government employee, so he gets a pension. After his death, your mother will continue to get that pension. That is a good thing, because that puts some cash into your hand if need be. But you are worried that they don't have enough capital to fall back on in case they have any major medical problem. So you are worried about those things, right? So when you're worried about all these things, that you have not taken care of your personal life properly in terms of debt and equity and doing well in equity, you cannot get a feeling of being rich. You will get a panicky attack or a panic attack very regularly, saying, what happens if I were to die? What happens if my wife were to die? What happens if something were to happen to my parents and I have to pay the bill, right? These things will constantly keep worrying you. you just can't help it. Your balance sheet reveals the fear, right? So your goal statement, balance sheet, everything will reveal the fear that you have as to why there is not much feeling of being satisfied and rich coming to you ever. Thank you.